Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. I'm your host Sylvia. So today I'm going to be making this super yummy, super popular and super easy, wait for it, you guessed it, mango lassi. Summer is around the corner and I just thought that this will be a perfect summer treat for everybody. So let's get right into the recipe. This is a very forgiving recipe, so you don't have to be accurate with the ingredients. So let's get started. For this I've taken about a cup of mango pulp. This is Alphonso Mango Pulp. I'll put a link in the description below. You can also take the actual fruit if you have the luxury of eating the hapus or the Alphonso mango. The second ingredient is the yogurt. I've taken whole milk yogurt. You can also take Greek yogurt if you like that. A few strands of saffron, little milk if it's too thick, and also sugar or some kind of sweetener like honey or coconut sugar. I personally don't like it very sweet, so I have not added anything, but feel free to add sugar or a sweetener of your choice. Now the last step is to just blend it together till a smooth texture is attained. So let's add the yogurt, the mango pulp. You can also add the sugar at this point of time. Few strands of saffron. You can also add about 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon of powdered cardamom. If your yogurt is too thick, you might have to add milk at this point of time, but because my yogurt was fine, not very thick, I didn't add milk. So now let's just blend it together. And our lassi is ready. So let's just pour into the glass, and look at this. This is the consistency that you need. So that's it. Let's just garnish it with a few more strands of saffron and serve it chilled. You can also add ice cubes if you want it like super chilled. So there you have it. If you have some guests coming over, you can just prepare ahead of time and keep it in the refrigerator and serve it chilled. Let me just taste it now. It's really nice and creamy. It has this nice creamy texture. Of course, a little bit of sugar would be nice, but I'm trying to cut down on my sugar. So but yeah, this is perfect. The right temperature, the right texture. So hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try. Let me know how you liked it, and enjoy your summer and the lockdown with this cool and refreshing mango lassi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and press on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you for supporting my channel. I put in a lot of work in this, so thank you so much for supporting it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.